Hi beauties, I'm back. What is going on? You guys, I'm just getting over being sick. This is why I have not filmed in the past couple of weeks. I'm finally getting back into myself. And welcome back, you guys. Thank you so much for being patient and probably wondering why the hell I haven't uploaded anything in the past couple of weeks, but it was because I was sick, you guys. So I'm finally getting over it. I'm almost done. Don't know what the hell it was, but yes, I'm back, you guys. So I just want to tell you thank you so much for waiting patiently. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. So today, I know you're seeing me in a different angle because today I'm going to be doing my closet. And I just want to let you know that throughout the video, you're probably going to see different clothing on me. It's because it's going to span out through a few days, and I'm just going to clip it all together because I want to show you the before and I want to show you the after. I just wanted to share you guys my little makeover that I'm going to do in my closet. It's not like some grand old thing, but I am going to reorganize it, change the hangers and stuff like that. So before I show you what I have to work with back here, I do want to mention that I finally have come down to a decision. I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday. So after this, there will be no more changes. This is final. I was just trying to figure out what works best for me. And, I want to make my videos great. I want to put more effort into them. I want to change them up a little bit. I want to make them better as I grow with my channel and with you guys. So I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday, and it gives me a chance to learn editing and just learn a bunch of new stuff and incorporate it into my videos for you guys. So every Tuesday, you guys, I will be uploading a video. If there happens to be something that goes on in the beauty world or something with makeup that I really want to film for you guys, I will let you know in a Tuesday video that I will drop a bonus video during the week in the Tuesday video. So I will just keep you guys informed. So other than that, you guys, let's get into it. So this is the shenanigans that I am working with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be changing all of my hangers. By the way, this is a new jacket that I got from Torrid. Just want to throw it in there. Anyways, so I'm going to be changing all my hangers to these really pretty suede ones. I hope if anyone is working with a small closet like I am, maybe this will help you kind of think up of your own ideas to maybe reorganize your closet for the springtime, get the old stuff out, get the winter stuff out, put some new pieces, in, and just clean it out. So my floor is a mess. I'm not going to show you because it needs to be swept. I need to dust the corners. And then I think I have all my hats in the corner and stuff. And I think the ones that I really don't wear, I'm going to just kind of pin them to the top of the wall so they're not taking up any space. And I'm just really going to take out stuff that I'm not going to use or I have not used in maybe the past 6 months or a year and either donate them or give them to people who need them that I personally know, or if it's not in great condition, I'm just going to toss it, you guys. So, yeah, this is what I'm working with. So my first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take every piece of clothing out and everything up here out, and I'm just going to start changing everything. You guys, as you can see, Britney Spears was just revealed on my closet. If you don't know this yet, I'm a huge Britney Spears fan. A little backstory to this poster here. This poster, I actually got it in New York City. This was when she was doing her huge Vegas show and they put it on HBO. I was riding the subway one day with my friends. I was in high school. And this was on the subway, in the silver plastic thing, nailed onto the wall or whatever. And, me being a huge Britney fan, I pretty much freaked out. And one of my best friends at the time, may he rest in peace, he was like, "You want it?" I was like, "Yeah, but how the hell are we supposed to get it out of there?" He, of course, had a knife on him. He slit the corners and he pulled out the poster for me. So this is how I ended up with this poster. Majority of my stuff out, and the rest of the stuff in here is pretty like dusty and stuff like that. So I'm gonna cut here because I'm gonna change my clothes. I'm gonna put some crappy clothes on, and I'm gonna put on some gloves and get the broom and start dusting and getting all the stuff out. All right, you guys, so as you can see, I have a mask on. I'm sweating. I'm gonna pan into my closet. Still the same day. So I swept, cleaned everything out, hung some of my hats. So I'm just going to show you real quick my progress on it. So this is what it looks like so far. I got my hats up there. I cleaned all the corners, swept all the dust out. So my corner looks like. I'm working with a really small closet, you guys. So if you're like me and you're working with a small closet, hopefully this can help you to just reorganize and kind of tweak your closet, you know, for the spring and the summer, just to be more organized. Usually when you have a lot of clutter in your house, your mind can be cluttered too. I've learned that the hard way, but yeah, so it's dusty, not good. I don't want to get re-sick with all this nasty stuff, but I'm also going to show you the mess I have going on in my room right now. I got stuff on the floor. I pulled everything out. There's all my clothes. And I also wanted to show you that I'm going to, sorry for the ring light, you guys. I'm gonna like clean all of that, reorganize my dresser over there. Those are my hangers that I'm gonna be switching, and then trying to work with a room and then having a big bed. I'm gonna switch my bed from the long way to kind of like putting it this way against the wall in the corner. Maybe it'll give me a little bit of more room to film in a different angle for you guys. Monday night, the 18th, I started reorganizing and cleaning and doing my closet and my room this past weekend. So, I mean, it's not like a grand thing, but for me, it's super more organized, and I condensed a lot of stuff that was in my closet. I completely cleaned it out. So I'm going to open it and reveal it to you guys, and I'm going to tell you the changes that I did. So this is what it looks like now. I'm going to zoom in and give you a different angle. All right, you guys, so this is what I'm working with. Now, I've never put like jeans and stuff on my top shelf. Hi, Brittany, how you doing? I see you peeking through there, girl. I got you. I took out like all my leggings and jeans, and these are shorts that I'm going to be wearing during the summer. And these are like my work jeans and other jeans that I wear when like on my days off and stuff like that. I took out all of my tank tops and my really cool summer blouses out, and I folded them and put them on top. This is full and organized with like lotions and deodorants and stuff like that. So anytime I need it or need one, I just take out from there. The good thing that I already had in my closet was these two things. I got them, I believe, at Family Dollar for a few bucks. So I got some stuff that I don't use every day, but when I need it, I know where they're at. So I have one on each side. And then I also, on each of them, have air fresheners. So, you know, after a while, like, closets just tend not to smell good. So I just you know, I have to buy some refills for those too. I have one on that as well. And then my hats, as you see, I just pinned them against the wall like I said I was going to do, just to keep it a little bit organized instead of having all of them in that corner over there. I left 3 of them in that corner because those are the ones that I use almost daily, like on a daily basis. And then this is my floor. So the second box up, the Under Armour ones, those are my new sneakers that I just received from Amazon. I've got some weights over there that I'm going to be using this week. And then I'm not big on shoes, you guys, but I do love my classic Adidas. You've seen them on my channel before. I've got my hamper. That back there is my CD collection. And then remember when my floor was just nasty, I had a bunch of stuff in there. It's completely all cleaned out. And then I changed all the plastic hangers to these nice suede ones where the clothes don't like fall off or anything like that. And then I just color coded everything. I do have more space back there. And then I don't know why I just repeated myself with that, but yeah. And then I have extra hangers back there. That is a Halloween costume. And then I'm just gonna like tell you a few things just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. My dad, it hasn't been a year yet, but I do have this in my closet. This was one of my dad's favorite shirts. He used to wear it all the time. He loved the Beatles. But my dad passed away last year in May. Hasn't even been a year yet, but yeah, so I have that in there. So it's a sentimental shirt. And then this one also is a sentimental shirt I always keep in my closet because it was my cousin David's who passed away actually almost when I first moved here. So it's been over 10 years. I always have his shirt in my closet. So yeah, those 2 shirts always keep with me, sentimental value. And then I just did from like dark blue to black and then like dressy tops and stuff like that. And then girly t-shirts and then blue and then all the way back to red. And then I've got my sweaters, my jackets, and then some dresses back there. So yeah, you guys, like even if you're working with a really small closet like me and you have, you know, a budget or whatever the case may be, just make it work for yourself and just organize it the way, you know, you want to and make it comfortable for yourself and put your stuff where, you know, you're going to be able to reach for them quick. That is my little makeover closet, you guys. So I'm going to pan around and just kind of give you a little tour of my small room. But this is where I film, you guys. So I gave myself more space here. So what I did, I just pushed my bed all the way to the corner because the other way that I wanted to do it, it just wasn't going to work. So I just shifted everything over. I've got more space here. And then I just dusted everything off and just organized it the way I needed it to be organized. And just, again, so you guys can get to know me a little bit better, this is the current book I'm reading right now. I read these 2 every morning when I get up. Britney Spears perfume. One of my favorite entertainers. I love her perfumes. Let's see. One of my favorite posters. I actually need to get another one that same size to go on the other side because it just looks weird when you have the big one, the small one, and then that empty spot over there. And then, of course, my room, I'm like in love with the Tiffany color. I'm pretty sure throughout my entire channel, you've probably, you know, gotten to know that about me. But yes, my room is an actual Tiffany box and I did it. And the bow is actually filmed because I'm also a movie junkie. And one known fact that a lot of you probably don't know about me is that I went to the Hollywood Film School. So yeah, that's where that inspiration comes from. And then this is my dresser. This is where I have my perfumes and then jewelry and stuff like that. I just recently got the new lip gloss by ColourPop. I'm gonna have to give you guys a review on it. It's not a bad review, but it's all right. Lipsticks, all kinds of stuff. My Vault by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. Most of all those palettes back there are all ColourPop. And I've got some stuff here. I've got stuff in the drawers and more ColourPop, Urban Decay, and some NYX. And these are my favorite from JCat Beauty. These are like the best eyeshadows that they have. Oh, sorry for the noise. But yeah, just to show you a little bit here and there, these are all ColourPop Super Shock shadows. If you guys want to see my collection on ColourPop, give this video a thumbs up, you guys, and I can do that for you. And then my favorite nail polish, OPI. And my second favorite, Avon, because you can see them in there as well. Alright, my beauties, that is it. I'm bringing this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it kind of helps any one of you guys in some way, whether you need to like reorganize your closet or just give you a few ideas of, you know, what to do and how to revamp it a little bit here and there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Go ahead and also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see any part of my makeup collection, whether it's just like ColourPop or whether it's just like Morphe or just like different, I guess, what should I say, like different products or like lipstick collections, eyeshadow palette collections, just stuff like that. And leave me comments down below, guys. Let's like talk, let's chat. If you guys are going to organize your room or doing some spring cleaning, let me know what you girls and guys are doing and whatever the case may be. So yes, come and talk to me. Leave me comments down below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.